Alright, so this is my x6100. I've 3D printed these rails for it, where they come all the way around the radio. Somebody else designed them originally, but for some reason they didn't have them come all the way around the back. I don't know why. So I just kind of did a mirror copy and Tinkercad, screwed around with it a few times, made a few mistakes, and printed them. And I designed it to where you can use drywall screws to attach it all, so that you don't have to do like those heat inserts, which are nice, but you don't need them. There is some kind of a little bit of drilling required to get it perfect, depending on things. But the way that I have the print up on printables, if you find my print on there, you will probably have to try a couple different drill bits and get it perfect first, because if you don't, you'll probably split this. The way that the hole is set up on it, I couldn't quite figure it out how to get it like the right size before it would be either too big or too small. So I couldn't get into the Goldilocks zone on that, and I'm not real good at CAD. That's why I'm using Tinkercad to manipulate somebody else's file. But anyway, it's a cool print. It's certainly better than the metal handles that you would get, and the metal handles use these tiny little screws here. I mean, it looks nice with the metal handles, but this is way better. This is going to protect your radio a lot more. The metal handles just look cool, but they're really not functional. One thing I don't like about this radio is just holding it, my hand has like rubbed off whatever it said on there, and a lot on there. And I haven't used this a whole lot. I think I've had it less than a year, and I've really rubbed that label badly. So anyway, I thought I would share that with you guys. I don't know if you guys had actually like really seen this thing in regular sunlight. Now this thing is kind of dusty because there's a lot of dust out in the shop, but anyway, it's a really good radio, but it has birdies and it has other things. And if you're looking for the rails, you look up x6100 on printables. My username on there is no name. I'll put a link down on the video later, but I'm going to upload it for now. And we're also going to try and do some portable backyard and fed activity here in a little bit. Thanks for watching.